Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I am meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. The pleasant fall weather has returned, so if you enjoy the cooler morning temperatures, you're back in luck today, as we will likely start out in the low 50s in most areas this morning, but we do have a few locations north of I-30 that have dipped into the 40s. That did result in some fog yesterday, but I think the air just too dry to see any dense fog, so there may be some patchy fog this morning north of I-30, but a pretty pleasant weather situation for us today. Yesterday's cold front now down along the coastline. We have high pressure building in behind that front, so that will steer the dry north wind into the region. And you can see on the water vapor map here, wherever you see that orange color, that indicates that we have extremely dry air that's moving in. So what that means for us is very low humidity today, and I know everybody loves to hear those words, so we should enjoy low humidity today as well as tomorrow. But we do have one more cold front on the way later this week, which will continue to bring us some nice weather as we head into the upcoming weekend. So for today, pretty light wind. We had a decent breeze yesterday with the cold front moving through. Winds will be out of the northeast at about 5 miles per hour today, and high temperatures with the dry air in place and a lot of sunshine today. We'll see a pretty big swing in temperatures, which will likely warm us into the upper 70s and low 80s across most of the region. But keep in mind, with low humidity, it will still feel great out there for most of the day today. Here's a look at your Robinson Futurecast. We obviously don't expect there to be any rain behind this front, as we'll continue to see that dry air bring lots of sunshine through the day today. A little more than just a few high-level clouds drifting through at times, and likely looking at mostly clear conditions tonight, which will bring us another chilly night with lows expected to drop into the 40s and low 50s, and then a lot of sun out there for your Wednesday as well before that next chance of rain moves in late Thursday into early Friday. So your lows tonight down to 48 in Texarkana, Shreveport at about 50 degrees. And I just wanted to bring to your attention that the National Hurricane Center is monitoring a spot out here which will be moving into the Caribbean. Right now the forecast model is not showing a good chance of development with this, but it is possible as it moves into the Caribbean late this week and into the weekend. It may kind of turn its way up towards the state of Florida. At least that's what the American or GFS model is showing us, so we'll continue to just give you some updates on that. But right now it doesn't look like anything that we need to be too concerned about at this point, but we'll kind of keep it on our radar here. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast for you. Again, our next cold front will move in Thursday. Out ahead of that front, we'll be in the mid-80s tomorrow. Could see a little bit of rain. This will mainly be Thursday evening through very early Friday morning, so if we do see any rain, it looks like it would be light, and it will occur while most of you are sleeping, so I don't think the rain going to have much of an impact on our plans here Thursday into Friday. And then pretty strong cold front as we'll drop into the 60s Friday, and still expecting it will be a very nice weekend with highs in the 70s and a lot of sun out there Saturday, but clouds starting to build back in Sunday. And it looks like our next chance of rain is we'll have an additional cold front on the way, maybe next Monday or Tuesday, early next week.